What's the meaning of bolt action? Bolt action. Bolt action.
Bolt action. Bolt action. Bolt action refers to a type of firearm action that utilizes a manually operated bolt to cycle rounds through the chamber. When the trigger is pulled, the bolt is released and it travels forward, picking up a cartridge from the magazine and inserting it into the chamber. This type of action is known for its reliability and accuracy, and is commonly found in hunting rifles and sniper rifles. The result is a firearm that requires deliberate, precise movements in order to load each round, which can lead to slower firing rates but greater precision and accuracy.